Okay, what we have here is a old American standard gas-fired boiler. There is the rating plate, you can see, and got a 6-inch flue going into the chimney there. This is the main outlet, and it has a McDonald Mellor number 67 with the sight glass on it that we've worked on. We at some time ago we replaced the blow-down valve, the original blow-down valve, with a dirt pocket style. I've had other videos on how that's done, and this allows a better flow. Got a brass connection there. Had a leak there. At one point we hit it with some Blue Magic there, whatever that stuff is, that special tape, worked that time. The system is a 2-pipe system. It has a Hoffman differential loop on here. The later type with just the single, rather than the sort of double tubes. There's documentation elsewhere on how this is supposed to work. The additions that we did some time ago was to add this Gorton number 2 to allow for better flow. Had to do a little surgery on the wood there in order to get that in. And the customer reports that made a huge difference in the distribution and stopped banging. One of the recent things we did was to replace that nipple. Someone had used a regular steel nipple rather than galvanized, and it completely clogged. This is a galvanized pipe, and it is reasonably intact. And once that was replaced, the flow was restored. And also added a full port ball valve there, and the water feeds down into the wet return. Hoffman seemed to, at least in the area that I'm in now, they didn't, no one installed a drain valve on the wet return. There it is there on the floor, and there it is there. So we're gonna probably leave that intact. We have 2 pressure trolls on there. Normally this system would probably need a vapor stat, but apparently it doesn't make that much pressure, so we're good to go. And of course, with the differential loop, that would seem to protect it from overpressure situations. Well, that's it. Hopefully we'll get to replace this at some point, and I'll keep you advised on our progress. Signing off. See you later on the next